Hi everyone. Is a rooster really worth it? Well, the only one good thing about roosters that we found out is they love their hens. As you can tell on this hen, she's missing some feathers on top. They just produce baby nuggets. Baby chicken nuggets, that is. Here's our rooster Larry. He attacks us all the time. He doesn't protect his hens by bobcats. He crows 24 hours. And I shouldn't say any more. We tried everything to, I guess I will say some more. we tried everything, holding them down, holding them, teaching them that we're the dominant ones, but he still attacks us. No matter what people said, we've tried it for weeks and weeks on end. Like I said, they just crow 24 hours. They don't protect their hens or anything. They just make baby nuggets. And these are our nuggets we hatched. And we have 5 roosters in here. We found out. And only 2 hens. So, yeah. I'll leave that up to you guys, of course, if you think roosters are worth it, but we don't think so. Unless you're going to have baby nuggets. Well, thank you for watching, and have a great day. You can crow?